One of the fastest growing sports on the island is beach tennis. One of the best female players in the world, climbing rapidly to the top, reveals tips and secrets in succeeding in this sport.
Marika Biglemeyer took home the top prize at Aruba's 2014 International Beach Tennis Tournament. Many of the best players in the world has a tennis background, with Marika included. But the German athlete says being good at tennis is not a prerequisite to succeed in this sport.
As long as I play this sport, I figure out that it's less tennis than everybody thinks it is. So from the technique, it's not tennis. Maybe the serve and the smash is very similar, but also there the angle is different. But everything else, the volleys, if you play like volleys like in tennis, you will put them in the net because the net is so much higher. So it's not always an advantage. Of course, the tennis players, they have the advantage that they use the tennis rackets and they have touch like for racket sports. But other than that, from the running part, it's beach volley. From the atmosphere, it's more like beach volley. From the reaction, it's badminton for me.
Marika and her partner Camilla Ponti played their best, and it paid off. She gives important tips on how female players can reach their optimal potential when it comes to professional women doubles in beach tennis. First and foremost, which side you choose on the court is crucial.
Of course, like the left part of the court is maybe a little bit more aggressive than the right part. The right part is more like to structure the point, and I think it depends on the wind. For example, here it was quite windy, so you cannot finish that easy. You have to adapt to the situation of the tournament or of the moment.
Oh, and ladies, make sure to be quick in the sand because that is a huge part of the game.
The movements are quite important. I think I worked a lot on my movements with the footwork, because before I was not running that fast. I was not that used to the sand. I'm from tennis. We play on clay court, but it's not like a deep sand like here. So I had to get used to this, and now I'm moving way better in the sand, and it's helping me a lot. I think a lot of girls can improve this for reaching another level.
Marika also says Aruba has all the perfect ingredients to build the sport and to continue hosting international tournaments. Soon enough, people all over the world will associate this island with the beach tennis sport. That's all the time we have for now. Thanks for watching. We'll be back here on Tuesday night starting at 7:15 p.m. with a brand new edition of 15 on 15. So join us then.